Hello guys, I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to show you my first full stack web application. It's named LokVeda. As you can see it on your screen. You can definitely check its source code in the GitHub and the documentation, and you can also check it out on Render. You can see the tech stack I have used, things like that. Now, let me give you a walkthrough of this. And yes, you can definitely try the dark mode and the light mode feature. As you can see, users are classified based on three roles. One is citizen, then another is staff, and another is admin. Now, how the authentication works, basically it has a mock government system. So we assume like we have your details like Aadhaar number, phone number and email. So the user just will have to enter their Aadhaar number, and all the verification, after the verification they will be able to open their dashboard and apply for the uh, essential services in that area. Okay, now let me try to log in with a citizen here, and by the way it needs location access. I have already given that. Okay, this is the Aadhaar number of an admin. Let me try to give an Aadhaar number of a citizen here, and it is performing some verifications, and then it will send the OTP. Now let me tell you about this location verifier. A huge shout out to geotoday.com and my fellow GitHub members. For them, I were able to fetch accurate coordinates of all the states and the union territories in India. So the logic behind this is, suppose a user works at Assam, but his hometown is at West Bengal, right? So the user will be able to access LokVeda in West Bengal and Assam. He won't be able to access LokVeda in any other states like Rajasthan or any other country like Pakistan, China, Bhutan, etc. So this is the logic behind it. Now for the sake of demonstration, I will resend the OTP, and as you can see, it's resending the OTP. And okay, for demo purposes, all the users have my email. So I will get all the OTPs. And by the way, I have blocked all the concurrent operations like from the UI and the backend. Like you won't be able to do multiple clicks, otherwise you will flood me with OTPs. I hope that makes sense. And there, as you can see, it opened a dashboard here, and here you can see a good greeting message like a good evening demo citizen one, your name. It's a greeting bot. It displays greeting based on user's location, and if it's unable to determine the sunset or sunrise, then it will shift back to local time. Okay, and as you can see, the user belongs to this area. Like the user belongs to Mathur Gram Panchayat, and you can see its opening and closing time here, and you can view the location in Google Maps here if you click on the link. I hope everything makes sense. Now you can see the user's profile, and here you can see her information and everything. And this is her application status. Basically it shows what are the services she has applied for, and her application status like rejected services, pending, reviewed, approved, all the things. You can even view her application by clicking here. And yes, my application supports autofill. Now let's try by applying an application. You can click that button, or you can click the here. This is a personalized dashboard, by the way. It shows the current services that are active in your area. Like you will be able to apply for these services only. You won't be able to apply for these, but you will be able to view them. And this is personalized because you will be able to only view the rejected services or your unsubmitted services here. If you submit a service, it will disappear from here. Don't believe it? Let me give it a demo. Like let me try to fill up this form. State, suppose West Bengal. District, 24 Parganas maybe. Let's give it North. Email ID, let's give it demo.citizen1@google.com, and let's submit the application. Voila, application submitted successfully. And by the way, the forms have checks as well. Like if you enter any misinformation, it will throw an error. So you can now view your application here in the pending services. Now let's log out and let me show you what a staff can do. Let us enter a staff Aadhaar number. I want to show this staff log, and now as you can see, the staff is unable to perform a login because they are 50 kilometers outside their allowed distance. So the thing is different for staff and admins. Staff must be present within 10 kilometers of their office area for security purposes, and the admins, they must be present within 250 kilometers. It has been done so for security purposes. Okay, so I'm 50 kilometers outside from Mathur. Now I will enter, yes, this one is the staff. Okay, I will try to log in staff. By the way, you will be only able to log in from one device only. It doesn't support multiple devices. I can demo that. I can definitely demo that. Let's try to log in with a staff account. There we go. We logged in. It's showing a good message like greeting demo staff. Now let us try to log in from another device or another browser. Okay, so I forgot the staff Aadhaar. Not an issue. I can just go to the home and fetch it like this. Now let us try to log in. Yeah, allow location. You are seeing it like this because of dark mode extension. It's nothing to worry about. Okay, now let us enter the OTP. And it's verifying. Unable to validate session. Let's try again. And we are logged in. And now there is the interesting part. If we try to go to our dashboard, we are logged out immediately. And if we try to do the same here, we are also logged out. So yes, you want to be able to log in from multiple devices, and it has been done like this so that the user doesn't get locked out, like sometimes there can be network failures and user has having problem logging out. So yeah, we gave user 4 chances. See, there are things like login attempts, suspicious logins based on distance and things. Some checks, you can definitely view them on the documentation there. It's all been written. I just don't want to emphasize it here right now. Now let's try to log in again with the staff account, and voila, we are logged in. See, and staff can also do the same thing as citizen. They can apply for services here. You can see them, and they can also view their application status and their profile. You can see here is the profile. Here is the application status. Nothing here. Now let us go to let us show what a staff can do. They can review and forward the citizen applications to the administrator. Staff does exactly this thing. They review the application and they forward it to the administrator. So let us review some applications. uh, okay, let us click here. Okay, nothing to display. Okay, what? Okay, this was the service, right? Okay, as you can see here, this citizen has submitted the service, and let us try to reject it. The thing works like uh, if a application has to be accepted, then the staff must accept the applicant's profile and the application. And if they reject any one of them, then the application is rejected. Like, yeah. Now let us go to the rejected application page, and you can see here it's showing it's rejected by demo staff, at what date and time. And now we can view the application. Let us try to approve this time. Okay, I am approving this application. Let us go to rejected, and then let us uh, approve the application again, and profile approved successfully. Now let's go to the rejected application, and you will see there is nothing here. Okay, so this is the power of staff. Now let me show you what an admin can do. So let us try to log in an admin account here. Verify, fetching your location, things like that. Yep. Now OTP. Okay, there's the OTP. So many OTPs. When I was testing the application, it was a nightmare, really, for a solo developer. True. And here you can see the things what an admin can do. Admin can also apply for services, see their application status like that, and they can also view their profile. Wow. And here let us show what are the extra things they can do. Like they can control which services are active and which services are inactive in an area. Like I can inactivate this service by just clicking here, and then I can activate this service by clicking here. I can do the same for any other you know active services. Can do any. I hope this makes sense. Like it mentions it. Tap on a service to toggle its state. Yeah. So now let's go back, and let me show you what are the next steps. First, a staff reviews the application, then it sends to the admin. Then admin can review, approve the application what a staff has been sent. Admins is the last step of approval. If admins approve the application, it's approved. So I hope this makes sense, and admins will be able to view the application after a staff has reviewed it. Rejected applications are special cases though. Both admins and staff can view them. And let me see. Okay, I think here. Oops. This is review approved applications. Okay, let me. Okay, tender. What was that application? It was. mm, I forgot. Was it a public notice? No. Uh, okay. Public grievance, tenders. Okay, there is a tender application here. Okay, as you can see, it's reviewed by demo staff 2 and rejected by demo staff 2. And at what time and what date, you can also see it here. And I hope you like this color scheme. I have distinguished everything with color so that everyone has ease to understand what's going on. And yes, my application is responsive. Okay, as you can see here, it's responsive for mobile devices. Now let's try to approve this application. And okay, let's try to reject this application. Let me show you. Here, it's rejected by demo admin. Now we can, you know, approve the application again, and let's see what happens. It's on the rejected one, right? And now let's approve her profile, and we can go to the rejected applications and nothing to display. And let's go to the approved applications. It was a tender, right? And we can see approved tender applications here. Voila. We can view the profile here, the citizen's profile, and we can uh, you know view their application as well. Yes, I hope you like this LokVeda idea, and thank you for your time, guys. Have a great one. Bye. See you later.